Have you ever been screwed by an auto repair shop?
No, not like that.
I'm talking about your car breaks down or a warning light comes on and you bring it in. The estimate comes back and it's a lot more than you expected and wasn't even what you thought might be wrong. Then it gets worse when the final bill comes back and it's even more money. You feel like you're being hosed, ripped off, like you have no control of the situation. This is especially true in states with mandatory inspections. Shops can hold you hostage and mark up prices, often hiding these markups in itemized quotes, knowing these are repairs you need to keep your car legal to drive. You feel like you have to get it done right then and there because you need your wheels. But you can take back control and save thousands with the Save On Service app. When you go to a mechanic and get an estimate and repair order, you simply log onto the app right there with your phone and input the repair order. Save On Service will connect you immediately with every participating shop in your market. Very shortly, you'll be contacted with a quote for that repair and a date and time you can bring it in. Several shops may contact you with savings, and you can pick which quote is right for you. It's that easy, and it'll be a significant discount. Why? Most shops have open bays and technicians that aren't busy. They'll cut the price on repair jobs to keep the bays full and their qualified technicians working. And they'll do a great job and save you money because they want to keep you as a customer. You just walked in the door. They understand that making you happy is job one, so you will consider them for any further service you may need. And you know all the shops on the app are good because Save On Service users can rate and review the shops and repairs for future customers to see, so you feel good. It's easy for shops too. An alert pops up with your job and they can instantly see when they have open times and how much they can underbid the competition. A shop can expect 15 to 20 new service appointments per month within a few months, which could have a huge impact on the business. That's why you know plenty of top-rated shops, including dealership service departments, will be on the Save On Service app. It's like Priceline for getting your car fixed. Download the app now and save thousands on service for the life of your car. Download the Save On Service app to keep your shop busy and boost your bottom line. Contact Duboy to get more information about investing in Save On Service.